easy miso pasta. You've got to check this out. It's just a handful of ingredients. You won't believe how mysteriously delicious it is. It works with any pasta. I had kind of like a tight corkscrew pasta on hand, so that's what I'm using. And then miso, red or white miso, just depending on, you know, what you want. Red miso, stronger, a little bit more pungent, and I'm gonna put a fat tablespoon, just making a mess. Oh, okay. And then we need butter. A nice dollop of butter in there. And I'm just gonna mix that together and add my hot pasta. And the miso is nice and salty. I salted my pasta really well when I was cooking it, but miso also nice and salty. Okay, here is the pasta that I chose just because I have a half bag of it in my pantry and I kind of needed to use it up. So it's still nice and hot. I'm gonna save the rest of this for a pasta salad, but that's going in with the miso and the butter, and I can add more if I want to. Ooh, yeah, I think it will take a little bit more pasta. Nice. Okay. Just a couple of things is giving it so much good flavor. Okay, then you're gonna go in with your herb of choice. I had some purple basil, and so I'm just going to pick in a few leaves of the purple basil. We'll give that a stir. And then, if you would so desire, some chili. I had these little chilies that are growing in our garden, and I'm just gonna give them a thin, thin sliver because I don't wanna blow anybody's head off with the heat, but they're gonna add a nice little spice to this. And the heat from the pasta will really tame them as well. Those 4 little chilies. They're so tiny though, right? How bad could it be? How spicy could they be? We're about to find out. A quick mix. That smells really good from that miso. See? You could add parm in here, pretty much anything else you wanted, but this is just the simplest warm pasta. And I got a little bit of chili in there too, so. Wow. Okay. That is absolutely fabulous. You could use it with kind of like a ramen noodle if you wanted to make it more lean toward Asian, make people think it's more Asian just because the shape of the pasta is different, but it worked really well with this. That pepper that I used, slightly spicy, it's hitting me on the back of the throat right now, but it really made a nice complement to that miso, which is just like an umami bomb. Just that unusual taste that you don't know what it is right off the bat, but it's miso. Adds so much flavor, butter coats everything. The basil brightens it up, and then that chili is just like the topper. So perfect, easy miso pasta. There you go. And the recipe will be on tkfoodie.com.